Welcome to this tutorial on how to post on Discovery on BeReal. BeReal is a social media app that allows users to share real and unedited moments from their daily lives. The Discovery feature on BeReal enables users to discover and connect with others who share similar interests. To post on Discovery on BeReal, start by opening the app and navigating to the Discovery tab. This tab is located at the bottom of the screen and is represented by a compass icon. Once you are in the Discovery tab, you will see a feed of posts from other users. To create a new post, tap the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the camera view, where you can take a photo or video to share. BeReal is all about authenticity, so make sure your post is real and unedited. When you are ready to take a photo or video, tap the shutter button. You can also add a caption to your post by typing in the text box at the top of the screen. Keep your caption concise and relevant to the content of your post. Once you have taken your photo or video and added a caption, you can choose to share it on Discovery. To do this, tap the share button at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you can select who to share your post with, including the Discovery feature. When you share your post on Discovery, it will be visible to other users who have similar interests. You can also browse through the Discovery feed to see posts from other users and engage with them by commenting or reacting to their posts. To get the most out of the Discovery feature on BeReal, make sure to use relevant hashtags in your captions. This will help your post reach a wider audience and increase your visibility on the platform. In conclusion, posting on Discovery on BeReal is a great way to connect with others who share similar interests and passions. By following these steps and best practices, you can create engaging and authentic posts that will help you build a community on the platform. Remember to always keep your posts real and unedited, and to engage with others by commenting and reacting to their posts.